Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss about the assignment key for the class 6th standard, and here we have the topic Penugolu, a village on a hill, and the subtopic is about the future of Koyas. Coming to the first question children. Coming to the first question, why do the Koyas move from Why do the Koyas move from one hill to another for growing crops? I repeat the question, children. Why do the Koyas move from one hill to another hill for growing crops? Yeah, coming to the answer. Before going to the answer, let's have a glance in our country. In the northern part nearby the Jammu and Kashmir, in the region, Himalaya region, the farmers especially, they are migrating. Migrating in the sense, moving from one place to another place. What is the reason? Especially in the month of winter season. Why? In the sense, the farmers in the winter season, as the land is completely filled with snow, so it is not possible to cultivate. That is the reason the farmers are moving from one place to another place in Himalayan region. In the same way, it is not about the land is getting frozen. It's completely different. Clear? The first reason is about, as the Koyas is one of the tribal group, as they praise the forest as a god or goddesses. Clear? So they are not accepting and they are not showing interest to destroy the forest. So coming to the first point in that, Koyas move from one place to another for growing crops because they don't want to destroy the forest. They don't want to destroy the forest. The first reason. Coming to the second reason. The second reason is about, in this way, they maintain the environmental balance. As moving from one place, in the sense in the forest area, they are going to cut about the particular small area and they are going to cultivate it. After that, again they will move to another location and they are going to use the same techniques where they have been used earlier. So, environmental balancing. Environmental balance, the second one. And the third one is about, what happens if we go through cultivating and slash and burn methods? The soil erosion is going to be taken. Soil pollution is also going to be taken. So if continuously they grow crops in one particular place, they may not get the good yield. So not showing interest to cultivate in a single land for a long period. These are all the three reasons, children. Clear? We are moving to the next question now. Coming to the second question. Why do you think they grow? So many crops. As in the first question, the first point is about they have been moving from one place to another place. So when they are supposed to move for a long period, for 6 months, for those 6 months they are cultivating and placing about more seeds, sowing or taking about more seeds for cultivation, and where the resultant or the food which has been taken is going to be utilized for 6 months. Clear? Coming to the answer in a step by step pattern. They grow so many crops because they sow seeds of different crops. Seeds of many crops together. Where they call it as broadcast method. Is the first reason. And coming to the second one is about the mixed crop give them enough food. Mixed crop gives them enough food which is useful for 6 months. Where it is useful for their surveillance of their family for 6 months. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question now. Coming to the third question, children. As it is lengthy, I am pronouncing it. What similarities and differences do you think there are between the settlements of plateaus on hills? So, completely there is a difference. Coming to the plateau, we have been earlier lesson that is about Dokur village. We are taking some similarities and differences in the sense comparison between the plateau region and the hilly region. Clear, children? Coming to the first point, in Dokur, settlement will be there. What type of settlement? Permanent settlement will be there. Coming to the second one is about the buildings or the houses are made up of concrete. And the third one is about they have electricity facility. And coming to the fourth one, they have water supply. In the plateau regions, whereas in the hilly regions, it is quite controversy to the plateau regions. In the sense, quite opposite. Instead of controversy, we can use the word opposite. Why it is opposite, children? In the sense, there will be no permanent settlements. The houses are not made up of concrete, and no proper electricity will be there, and no regular supply of water. No regular supply of water. This comes under the hilly region where the lesson is about Penugolu. Clear, children? Clear? So now, what we discussed about in the sense the assignment key for Penugolu, a village on a hill. Clear, children? I hope you understood. Have a nice day. Thank you.